Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, hi, my name is Gauri and I post beauty and sometimes fashion related content on my channel, and if that's something that interests you, then please continue watching. Alright, as you already know from the title and the thumbnail, that today I'm going to share a Nykaa Hot Pink sale haul with you all. No, actually Nykaa Hot Pink sale try on haul. This is the makeup look I came up with and these are the products I got. Yeah, that's quite a lot, and I shop for like some luxury products and few drugstore brands. So yeah, that's that. Also, I spent like around 10 to 11,000 for this. Just a disclaimer, this video is not at all sponsored. I got all these products with my own money, own hard-earned money I would rather say, and you don't really need to buy products ऐसे ही. I am a content creator, I really need to try new products, so that's why I try these products and then recommend it to you all. If you are interested watching in this video, then please continue watching. Guys, can we just ignore the background noise? अगर आ रही है बारिश की, बहुत ज़ोर से बारिश हुई है, I cannot help it. Please adjust कर लेना. Alright, I did my skincare and my eyebrows off camera because I don't have as such product for my skincare and brow. So yeah, and also मैंने अपने बाल से बांधे हो. Please don't mind this look because गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है, लाइट नहीं आ रही है, AC नहीं चल रहा है, and it's been raining, so it's like very humid. So please don't mind my hair. So let's get started. So the very first product I got is a luxury product and it is like all over the internet. So I was really tempted to buy this product. So here it is. I'm talking about the Charlotte Tilbury's Hollywood Filter. I got it in the mini variant. This is how it looks like, and I got the shade 4.5 medium, and this is how it looks like. Oh my god, I paid like around 1500 for this, and look at the size. My palm is so small. This is how the bottle looks like, and it comes with like a good doe foot applicator. Not actually a doe foot, but like applicator you get with your concealer. So yeah, I was like really tempted to buy this. मैंने इसको एक बार try किया, but मेरे को ऐसा कुछ समझ नहीं आया, so I'm gonna try it with you all again. I think जो luxury products में mini products आ गए हैं ना, it is really a good concept because you know what, like being a content creator, मेरे को ना ज़्यादा मैं products use भी नहीं कर पाती हूँ इतने सारे because I do get so many PRs and everything, but mini मैं ख़त्म भी कर पाऊँगी because full size ना it is really difficult to finish them up. So I feel अगर आप लोग को भी कुछ try करना तो पहले mini. You can see the glow. My skin was shining but wasn't like this. I mean I still haven't made my mind yet. If you have tried this product, do let me know down in the comment section how do you find it. I have seen like reviews about it that you'll apply this product and you are good to go. You do not need to apply like a base or something. But I don't know, I feel if you have like acne prone or ये marks वाली skin, you definitely need to apply something. But I'm gonna lie, do give like little bit of coverage or something. I don't know, there is something in it that it is doing something, guys. You can see my skin looks so hydrated. I think I like this product, but I think I won't be picking up the full size of this because it is expensive, guys. But yeah, that's it for now. I think मैं follow up videos में definitely share करूँगी. Right, I picked up like 3 to 4 products from MAC. The first thing I got is I really wanted to try it since like ages. By the way, मैंने यहाँ color corrector लगाया, that's why my discoloration is gone. I use the Sugar Stick contour in the shade Peach. You know I love it. So yes, I'm talking about the MAC. I picked up the MAC Studio Finish Concealer. I got it in the shade NC35. इसमें SPF 35 भी है, so that's great. And look at the product, guys. It is so tiny. By the way, मैं सब चीज़ों का product का MRP आपको यहाँ दे दूँगी, so you can like it would be convenient for you as well. This is the product, guys. I have used it and I love it, guys. I absolutely love it. It is so creamy. And I really wanted to pick like something from MAC like concealer because foundation तो मैंने use किया हुआ है, and MAC holds a really special place in my heart because जो मेरा पहला foundation था ना, that was from MAC. So I love that foundation. I've tried it, so I was like I want to try something new. And concealers were like उनका जो एक वो drop pump वाला concealer, that is really drying, मैंने सुना है. And जो उनका liquid वाला concealer hydrating one, I was like कि like we have so many products, like मेरे पास तो बहुत सारे वैसे products हैं, तो I was like नहीं, I want to try something new. I didn't had like something like this, and I have like Inside Cosmetics का palette that is like really cheap. I was like, I need to try something, you know, high end or something, and it is so creamy. I don't want to waste the product, but it is really creamy and the shade match is perfect. I am so proud of myself कि मैंने बिल्कुल सही शेड मैच पिक करा है. आई हैव ट्राइड दिस प्रोडक्ट, एज आई टोल्ड यू आई लव इट. ये इतना अच्छा ब्लेंड होता है ना, लाइक इट इज़ रियली रियली क्रीमी एंड इट गिव्स लाइक फुल कवरेज, मीडियम टू फुल बिल्ड कर सकते हो आप, बट इट वोंट लुक लाइक यू हैव समथिंग. इट गिव्स लाइक स्किन लाइक फिनिश आई वुड से. ये फिंगर से बहुत अच्छा ब्लेंड होता है, ये ब्रश से बहुत अच्छा ब्लेंड होता है, एंड पफ से भी या ब्लेंडर से भी बहुत अच्छा ब्लेंड होता है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ इट, लाइक यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस. इधर मैं इसलिए देख रही हूँ, मेरा मॉनिटर इधर है, बट look at the difference. Like you can't even tell in person भी, कैमरे पे तो you can't even tell only, but in person also it looks very very skin like. I love it, and also it is really really long lasting. What a product. And like if I would like to suggest you one product from MAC ना, if you want to invest, ये इतना ज़्यादा चलने वाला है. by the way इसमें 7 ग्राम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट मिलता है आपको. yes, 7 ग्राम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. It will gonna last you for a really really long time because you don't need much. okay, मैं पहले हाफ फेस पे आपको लगा कर दिखा रही हूँ, but the only thing I don't like, or I don't know, but that is like you need to dip your fingers again and again in this, but that's okay. When it comes to the formulation and everything, it is amazing. Rest of the makeup I'll try to blend with my puff, जो कि मिल नहीं रहा है मुझे. गाइज मैं जो भी प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करी हूँ ना, उसका लिंक भी मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी, प्लस स्क्रीन पे भी दे दूँगी, लाइक दिस पफ एंड एवरीथिंग. सो या, लुक एट दैट. I'm gonna cover my lids as well. You see that, like in second, it's like on the go product. Ekdam, if you want something. I was really tempted to buy that Studio Fix powder, but I was like, I have so many powders and I know that is a great product क्योंकि किसी से मैंने सुना ही नहीं कि वो ख़राब है. बट ये वाला प्रोडक्ट ना मैंने ज़्यादा लोगों से नहीं सुना था. There were like very few people who were talking about this, so I was like, एक तो dry skin है, it is really hydrating, so I need to. You guys can see my scarring is covered and it doesn't look like I have something on. Like a beauty of this product. I highly recommend you guys to check this product out. If you want to buy something from MAC, I would recommend try this because मैंने उनका स्टूडियो पाउडर ट्राई किया है एक बार काउंटर पे, बट ट्राई किया था. I wasn't didn't want to spend this much on like a powder, obviously, but I was like okay, I was like ठीक है. I wasn't like कि ये लेना है because but इसके लिए तो, and I feel I'm very happy about this purchase. I love it. I'm just gonna quickly blend it and then we'll talk. I think NC35 is like a perfect match. You guys can see. अभी यहाँ से एक्चुअली क्या है ना, यहाँ शेडो क्रिएट होता है बिकॉज आई हैव लाइट्स ऑन ईयर. अभी मेरे को रिफ्लेक्टर ख़रीदना है जो मैं यहाँ रख पाऊँ तो, ताकि ये शेडोज़ ना बने. बट हाथ तो मेरे टैन हो रखे. यू गाइस कैन सी यहाँ से क्वाइट सिमिलर. सो आई एम हैप्पी विद द शेड आई पिक्ड. बट इतनी गर्मी हो रही है ना. फॉर पाउडर आई एम यूजिंग दिस My Glam का Vanilla Compact. I didn't picked up anything for bronzing, so I'm gonna use my bronzer. I'm using the Makeup Revolution का palette, London palette for bronzer. I use some powder blush, बहुत थोड़ा सा. I'm using this Milani all-in-one face palette. The most exciting product and also the product which broke my heart. I'm talking about this MAC highlighter. I got it in the shade Whisper of Guilt. This is how it looks like. Yes, ये टूटा हुआ रिसीव हुआ था मुझे, and I paid like what 3500 or 3100 for this. I'll leave it here. Look at it. I can't even open it and show it to you all. जैसे ही मेरे को रिसीव हुआ था ना, I was shattered. मैंने मैक पे नहीं, नायका पे कंप्लेंट भी डाली थी, रिटर्न डाला, रिटर्न नहीं हो रहा है. एंड लुक एट द कंडीशन. I don't want कि फिर से गिर जाए. मैंने बहुत मुश्किल से लगा के रखा हुआ है. I'm gonna take a fan break, but this highlighter, I've tried it and it is amazing. You see that? It is like one of those highlighters you can like make it as subtle as you want and as booming and bamming as you want. You guys, you see that I am a sucker for like a good highlighter. I love highlighters. I can make it like as booming as possible, but I'm gonna keep it subtle. बट लाइक 2-3 प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम मैक, तो मेरे को मैक की स्ट्रोब क्रीम फ्री मिली थी, ये मिनी साइज़। मेरे पास पहले भी स्ट्रोब क्रीम है छोटी मिनी। आई लाइक दिस प्रोडक्ट। आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू इन्वेस्ट इन द फुल साइज दिस टाइम, बट आई डोंट नो, मेरा मन नहीं माना। आई वाज लाइक अगली बार ले लेंगे। तो या मूविंग ऑन टू द आई मेकअप। आई मेकअप के लिए मैंने कुछ भी नहीं खरीदा, ट्रस्ट मी, एक भी चीज़ नहीं खरीदी मैंने। बट आई हैव दिस नायका की आई शेडो पैलेट्स जो अभी लॉन्च हुई थी। दीज आर कॉल्ड द मिनी आई शेडो, जो मैं दिखाती हूँ। आई एम गोना यूज़ द शेड कॉल्ड 02 डेस्क टू डेट। ये मैंने यूज़ किया हुआ है, बट ऐसा शेड एक्चुअली मुझे शिमर चाहिए था, ऐसा शिमर किसी और में नहीं है। दिस पैलेट इज़ लाइक रियली पिगमेंटेड and buttery soft. I really like this actually. It is so affordable as well. So yeah, I'm gonna take like a big fluffy brush and ये वाला shade लूँगी मैं, light वाला। And I'm just gonna blend it out. I'm gonna apply it like all over my lid because I don't wanna do anything like fancy. Next I got this pack glitter primer. It is actually like a glitter adhesive. अगर आपके पास लूज ग्लिटर है या फिर ये शिमर्स हैं, कभी कभी क्या होता है शिमर लगा दो पिगमेंटेशन पूरी नहीं आती है, सो यू कैन अप्लाई दिस एंड उसके ऊपर यू जस्ट नीड टू पैट दैट शिमर शेड एंड इट जस्ट गिव लाइक मोर पॉपिंग इफेक्ट, और थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग लास्टिंग भी हो जाता है योर ग्लिटर और योर shimmer. I'm just gonna take a small flat brush like this and primer को मैं थोड़ा सा अपने back of the hand पे लूँगी, not much, just the tiniest bit of it, and I'm gonna apply it like in like a cut crease way, like as if I'm like cutting my crease. I really wanted to do like loose glitter के साथ, but today I am so tired. I shot like 3 to 4 Insta videos and I am like duh, but I really wanted to be consistent on YouTube, so I was like, you know what, let's just do like this only, because doing like a glitter के साथ and then you need to do like a full blown makeup and उसके साथ I don't have like foundation या कुछ ऐसा concealer or something like new makeup to share in this haul. I was like, you know what, let's just roll with what we have. And this video का look is not at all planned. I'm just doing what I am liking. I'm gonna pick this shade brush पे from the opposite side, dust off the excess, and you see that there are few shimmer shades जो आप brush से लगाते हो but नहीं लग पाते हैं, and you can't, you know, you can't get that precision वाला cut with the finger अगर ब्रश से नहीं लग पा रहा है, so it comes really handy. This primer is really good. I do have like one video planned. I think इसके बाद जाएगा. I'm gonna be trying out loose glitters. Recently एक brand ने मेरे को भेजे थे, but that is not like a sponsored video or something. They were like kind enough to send it to me. So I was like, I don't have a primer or glitter glue. Then I bought this. And I think वो glitters पता है मेरे पास कब से पड़े हैं, 2 या 3 महीने से पड़े हुए हैं. I'm just gonna take a clean blending brush and I'm just gonna blend out the edges. And trust me, ये primer और glue जो भी है, whatever you call it, बिल्कुल heavy नहीं लगता है इस पे. It is super lightweight and really nice. I'm not gonna put like eyeliner or something. बस मैं sugar का pen liner लूँगी, थोड़ा सा wing extend करूँगी, थोड़ा सा inner corner करूँगी, because I have a mascara to show it to you all. अगर मैं लाइनर कर लूँगी ना वो दिखेगा नहीं, so I'm just gonna quickly do that and we'll be right back. Alright, for like mascara I have 2 products. First one I have this ELF का clear brow and lash mascara. This is how it looks like. इसमें एक साइड brow का जेल है and एक साइड mascara है. And the second one I got is the MAC 3D extension 3D extreme dimension mascara. I got it in the mini variant again just to try it out first. Guys, light आ गई, AC चल गया. I'm so happy.
Okay.
अच्छा, I'm gonna try the ELF one first. ये मैंने try किया एक बार, but you know what, my brows are really stubborn. My brow hair are like always in downward direction. I want something जो you know set रखे ऊपर. So I was expecting a lot from this because one of my friends suggested me this, but I don't know. I think it just does the job and it is like an okayish product. If you have like non-stubborn brows, I think this would work for you. Just gonna take some more. It is like a very lightweight mascara. मतलब बिल्कुल eyebrows पे heavy नहीं लग रहा है. Now what I'm gonna do is इसका क्लियर लैश मस्कारा लेके I'm gonna apply one coat and just see what happens and उसके ऊपर we'll apply the MAC. इससे थोड़ा सा प्राइम भी हो जाएंगे lids and I'm like not mad about this product and I'm not like wow. I don't know, I think okay. Now this mascara from MAC, guys, I have been loving this mascara. मैं इसका full size लेने वाली हूँ बहुत जल्दी. Like जब ये ख़त्म होगा और मेरे कुछ mascaras हैं वो ख़त्म हो जाएंगे ना, तब definitely मैं इसको बड़ा size लूँगी. By the way, this is how the mascara is, and look at the wand. I mean, what on earth is this wand? It does like magic. Let me just show it to you all. By the way, this is not waterproof. बट अगर आप इसको निकालना चाहते हो आराम से निकल जाओगे. रोगे तो फैलेगा नहीं, पानी लगेगा. अगर बारिश में भीगे हो तो बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं कि फैल के नीचे आ जाएगा, बट निकालना चाहोगे तो आराम से निकल जाएगा. इट्स जस्ट लाइक, आई थिंक इट्स लाइक अ हाइब्रिड बिटवीन वाटर प्रूफ एंड नॉन वाटर प्रूफ. द वॉल्यूम इट प्रोवाइड्स, द लेंथ इट प्रोवाइड्स, इट्स phenomenal, guys, and I am glad that I picked this up. Guys, look at this. I'm gonna come closer to camera. Look at this. Amazing, amazing. You need to have this mascara in your vanity, guys. I mean, mini खरीद लो. I think this is for around 110 or 1110 or 20. I don't know. Like 1000 की range में ही है. It is an amazing mascara. The next thing I picked up is from PAC Cosmetics. It's their kohl in the skin variant, like nude eye pencil. This is how the kohl pencil looks like. इधर ना आपको थोड़ा सा ये spongy applicator मिलेगा अगर smoke out करना है कुछ. I don't think so कोई smoke out करता होगा nude काजल, but it is how it is. This is the pigmentation. I absolutely love it. ये मेरे पास पहले भी था. मेरा पहला वाला ना एक्चुअली ख़त्म हो गया था, उसका कैप हो गया था तो वो ना ड्राई हो गया था, तो दैट्स और ये बहुत लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है. इसको मतलब मैं सी इट्स लाइक ड्राइड. ये बहुत लॉन्ग लास्ट करता है. I'm just gonna apply it on my lower lash line. If you have small eyes now, do try a skin or white kajal. I think white इतना natural नहीं लगता है. Skin color looks very natural and especially this kajal. I love it. You can see the difference already. ये वाली आँख मेरी थोड़ी सी बड़ी लग रही है. It looks a little smaller. So for my lips I picked up this ELF का lip lacquer in the shade Moody. मेरे पास इसका पहले भी एक shade था. I think मैंने वो last year ही Nykaa pink hot pink sale से खरीदा था. And I loved it and वो पूरा ख़त्म हो गया. I'm just gonna line my lips before applying it. Put this. By the way, just a swatch. Look at it. It is like a thick lip gloss, but it is really long lasting. And secondly, it smells like कोई अच्छी बेकरी से आप निकले हो अभी. It smells delicious. Definitely try this one. I love it. Whenever you are using like a lip gloss or something, take a tissue. मेरे पास अभी tissue पता नहीं कहाँ गया. I'm taking this cotton pad and just do like this, or you can do take your finger, do like this. जो भी excess होगा ना वो finger पे निकल के आ जाएगा या आपके tissue paper पे, and दांत पे नहीं लगता है. I know it is like silly to talk about, but it is really important to check your teeth whenever like after you apply your lipstick and stepping out your house. It is really important. Wow. Alright you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please do like this video and comment down your feedback. How do you feel about it? What do you want me to do like in more videos? So I really want your feedbacks to be consistent on YouTube. And yes, that's it for today's video. I hope to see you really soon again. Bye, take care. I love you all so much.